LOW miles. Like new without the new sticker price. Sierra 1500 SLE, 4D extended cab, 4WD, and 1 owner clean Carfax. Spotless. This vehicle maintains the peace. If you're looking for a used vehicle in outstanding condition, look no further than this 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. You won't need to get out your tools for a long time when you drive this puppy home. This fantastic, one-owner Sierra 1500, with grippy 4WD, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you during one of her bad days at work. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.